In early 2024, a new AI tool started making noise across the internet, Perplexity AI. It wasn't just another chatbot, it was smarter, faster, and connected directly to the web. People started calling it the Google plus ChatGPT hybrid. But is it really that revolutionary? Could it be the future of search, or just another hype? In this video, we'll explore everything about Perplexity AI, how it works, why it's going viral, how it compares to ChatGPT, and whether it can actually change the way we search forever. Let's begin our journey into one of the smartest AI tools reshaping the internet, Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine that answers your questions conversationally, like chatting with ChatGPT, but with one big difference. It cites real sources. Instead of giving random responses, Perplexity actually pulls information from the live web and shows exactly where it got that info. You're not just chatting with an AI, you're exploring verified knowledge. The tagline says it all: ask anything. Whether it's news, research, or product comparisons, Perplexity can give you up-to-date, sourced answers instantly. Perplexity was founded in 2022 by four brilliant minds: Arvind Srinivas, Dennis Yaretz, Johnny Ho, and Andy Konvinsky. The CEO, Arvind, had previously worked at OpenAI and DeepMind, two of the biggest AI research labs in the world. Their vision was simple yet powerful: to create an AI that doesn't just search, but understands, verifies, and explains knowledge. From a small startup idea in 2022, to a global phenomenon by 2024. At its core, Perplexity runs on large language models, the same technology behind tools like ChatGPT. But here's the difference: Perplexity is connected to the live internet. So when you ask something like, "Who won the Nobel Prize in 2025?" it doesn't rely on old training data. It goes online, finds the answer in real time, and shows the source right there. It's like having an AI research assistant that not only answers but also proves what it says. Unlike ChatGPT's free version, Perplexity browses the web live, giving you the most recent and factual data. Every answer includes clickable citations, ultimate transparency in AI. This feature lets you deep dive into a topic. For example, search climate change in India, and it will suggest related sub-questions, almost like a mini research paper built for you. The Pro version uses advanced models like GPT-4 Turbo, which generate longer, more accurate, and more creative responses. Perplexity's app has a built-in co-pilot mode, where you talk to the AI and it guides your search step by step, like having a personal AI researcher in your pocket. So how does it stack up against ChatGPT and Google? Let's be honest, it doesn't replace them, but it definitely bridges the gap between the two. ChatGPT is great for creativity, essays, emails, stories, coding. Google is great for raw search, but it can overwhelm you with links. Perplexity sits right in between. It gives you human-like explanations with sources, like a mini Google built inside a chat. Many users say it's like having a fact-check ChatGPT, and that's exactly what makes it so powerful. Let's test it in action. I'll ask, explain quantum computing in simple terms. Within seconds, Perplexity gives a crisp summary, with links to IBM, MIT, and Wikipedia. You can click each source, verify facts, and even ask follow-up questions like, how is quantum computing used in AI? That's what makes it different. It thinks and connects ideas, not just repeats data. The rise of Perplexity hints at something bigger. The future of search might not be about typing keywords anymore. It's moving toward conversational discovery. Imagine a world where you don't Google it, you chat it. Where the internet becomes interactive, verified, and tailored to you. Perplexity is leading that change, and it's only the beginning. So, is Perplexity AI the end of Google? Not yet, but it's definitely the start of a new era, where search meets intelligence. If you haven't tried it yet, head over to perplexity.ai and experience the future of information. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, because we've got more AI stories coming your way.